Continuation of the video. Now getting into the database. So after opening, checked where I was. After opening here, then it brought me here. There I have to put my password, root, where it has opened. So I have to create a new database by clicking on new. Then I have to name the name of the database here, for example, Sampa database, Sampa GB. There you create. So after doing that, just do the importation of those the tables. Remember the sheet that we created, which we saved on here on our desktop. There it is. So that's the one that you're supposed to use. So when importing, you go to the desktop, you get it, and then here just make sure you click on the first line, because what will happen is if you don't click there, you get together with these top buttons here, A, B, C, D. But since this time we don't want these things to appear in our database, that's why you click on this option here, then you go. So there it is. You have seen that our database, we have imported everything from the employee, and you've noticed that here the table that you had named there is the one that has come here. And if you remember, we only had one record in it that was showing Peter Sampa. So here it is. Now you notice that this table here doesn't have a primary key. So now to do that, we need to go to a structure and make sure we make NRC as our primary key. It's showing error because the primary key can never be empty. It's an identifier, so it can never be empty. So what will happen is we need to go back to our data and make sure we delete everything that is here. That has got new entrance. So what we do is we go back to the actual database that we had, then we delete all these, save up, then we save again. Let's do the importation. Let's drop this operation, you drop the table there, then we do another importation. There you have it. And then once what you're trying to create, what you're trying to make as a primary key has something, that's when now it can accept. So you go to structure, then make the NRC as a unique